Hi everyone, welcome to your third C++ tutorial, and in this tutorial we're going to be learning about strings and different string methods. So to declare and initialize a string, you can do string name, that's declaring it, and in another line you could do name equals Bob. Make sure you put a semicolon. You could also do this in one line. You could do string name equals Bob. And then to output a string, you just do cout and then the name of the string. And then when we run this, it'll give us Bob. Strings can also be more than one word. We could do like string sentence equals coding is super cool. And then we can output sentence. And notice how the program ended with exit code 0 is right after the super cool. So we could do two things. We could either do \n, and when we run it, it'll go to the next line, or we could also do this. We could also go to sentence and then two less than signs and then in quotes \n here, so we don't have to mess up the string. And it does the exact same thing. A backslash in front of something means that it's a special character. \n goes to the next line. There's also \t, which puts a tab in, so when we run this, it'll go coding is super cool like that. There's also \quote for if you want to have quotes shown in the string when you output it. So when I run this, it'll do coding is super cool in quotes. You can also do \\/ if you want to actually show a backslash in the string. So for every backslash you want to show in the string, you have to do two backslashes for it. Like if we want to show two backslashes, then we got to type 4, and then when we run it, we'll see coding is super cool with two backslashes. We can also output strings and variables at the same time. So we can do like string math equals the first negative integer is, and then semicolon, and then we can do int x equals -1. And then we do cout, less than sign, math, less than sign, x. And then when we run this, we'll get the first negative integer is -1. We could also do this in the string, so we could do the first negative integer is, and we'll write int x equals -1. So the first negative integer is plus, because in a string, plus is an operator for concatenation. Concatenation is when you add multiple elements to a string that aren't just words, like you could add ints or doubles or anything else. If we want to add x to it, we can write plus x. But if we want x to actually be shown when we output it, we have to do to_string, and in parentheses x. Then when we output the string math, it'll do the first negative integer is -1. But if we do it without the toString and we run it, it won't do anything because it has to have the toString for x to be converted to a string. We can also do this with a double. We could do like double x equals -1.9. We would have to do a negative double is, and then -1.9. Well, that was it for your third C++ tutorial. Please like and subscribe and make sure you turn on notifications so you know when I upload a new video. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.